Welcome to the Noun and Subject Note tutorial. So a noun is the name of a person, place, or thing. And there are two types of nouns. Singular, which names one person, that's why it's single. It's one person, one place, or one thing. Plural means more than one. So it could be two or more people, place, or thing. And then at the end of the noun, you're always going to want to add the S for plural. For example, singular here, we have drink. Plural version is two drinks. Singular tree, plural two trees. Cell phone, one cell phone, two cell phones. So let's get into some practice now. Okay, now with nouns in the subject, a sentence has two parts, a subject and a predicate. Now a subject is always a noun. Okay, and it tells you whom or what the sentence is about. So again, the subject is a noun. It tells you whom or what the subject, what the sentence is about. That is why it's the subject. Predicate describes what the subject does. So looking here, we're going to fill this in. Blank is a new store. So we have to put in the subject or a noun. So what is a new store? Mother is a new store. Vegetable is a new store. Or Stater Brothers is a new store. Correct answer, Stater Brothers is a new store. So your subject is Stater Brothers. The predicate, because it tells you what it is a new store. Next one. This blank sells clothes. This what? So again, the subject. This worker sells clothes. This shop sells clothes. Or this shop sells clothes. So the fact that it says this, we know it's one, single. Okay? So the correct answer is this shop. This shop sells clothes because it's telling you the subject is shop. That's the noun. It's a thing. It's a place, really, a shop. When it sells clothes, it tells you, it describes what the subject is. Next one. Many of the blank are old. So many indicates more than one. So we know it's going to be plural. Many of the blank are old. Well, what are old? Factories, factory, or shop? Well, the fact that they say many indicates more than one. So correct answer is, which one has the S at the end? Yes, factories. Okay. So this brings us to an end to our quick tutorial on noun and subjects. Thank you very much, and stay tuned for the next tutorial.